Hello everyone. Today I'm talking about very important thing to all of you. I know many people have this problem. And I also know that many people suffer due to this problem during winter. I have come from heaven to save you from that problem. So to get rid of that problem, listen very carefully to the 6 important things that I will tell you. Tip number 1. Fletch your shit into your palm, and slowly drop into the bowl. Another advantage of this method is that you can do the work without making any noise. This method is very important in a relative's house or a place where people hang out.
Wow.
Tip number 2. Shit in a row, avoid breaking it. This should be done very carefully. If you break it, you will have to face your problem again. Tip number 3. Shit at small round shape. You have to be really talented to do this. Even I couldn't do this yet. Tip number 4. Shit and stand up immediately before your shit touches the water surface. You have to be very fast to do this. If anyone does this, please let me know how it is done. Woo! Tip number 5. Pour an ice cube into the bowl. It helps prevent splash and cools off your butt. But if you do this in winter, be careful. Tip number 6. Dip your butt into the water and shit. This is my favorite way, and this has another advantage. If you use this method, you won't need to take extra time to wash your back. And don't forget I'm from heaven. I hope this video will help to make your daily work easier. If you want to keep watching important videos like this to make your life easier, subscribe to my channel.